Today I have this wooden star that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. I believe it was $19.99. All the items you're going to see today I got 50% off in the seasonal section. And sometimes you can get really fortunate and get them 75% off if you wait to the very end. So I probably paid about $10 for this star. And it has the stars and stripes. And I'm going to start by painting the entire thing with Snow Owl by Wise Owl just to give me a base coat. Once that dried, I'm doing Bowie at the top portion where the stars are. You can still see the stars and stripes as they're kind of like there's kind of it's kind of engraved. So you can see the indents of where they were. And I'm doing the top portion where the stars are in Bowie. And then I started filling in the stars with a very small art brush using the Snow Owl. And my first coat, I definitely needed a second coat. So I waited for the first coat to dry and then went in with the second coat for the stars. This actually looks kind of pretty, it being a little faded, but then I went into the stripes with the Republic Red. And again, the engraved lines made this very easy to keep everything straight and proportioned. Wise Owl has great coverage, so you need very little paint to do these small projects. The 2-ounce containers are enough to carry you through a few projects. Once that was done and dry, I picked up this garland from Valentine's Day for 50% off, and this was $9.99. So I got a great deal on this. I'm always grabbing the garland in the leftover seasonals, and this Home Sweet Home was $6.99 with 50% off. And I'm going to remove the hanger from the Home Sweet Home, and I cut a piece of my garland. I'm using our stapler here. This is a great stapler by Bosch. I'm going to have Jamie post a link to it. This thing has come in very handy. It's a pretty rugged stapler without having to use a compressor. And you could see the staples, but I felt like with the berries and stuff, your eye really didn't go to any of them. And I used the heart here and there to cover some of them as well. And I just secured the berries all the way around my Home Sweet Home. Once I got that all secure and set up the way I wanted, I went back to the star and using some E6000 and some hot glue for a temporary hold, I placed it in the center of my star. And there you go. Now you have this cute Americana Home Sweet Home star. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfers, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you.